Why is no one talking about the fact that instead of this, which is a neutral pelvis where hip bones are on the same height as a pubic bone, a lot of people have this. So as you can see, it appears as if I have a stomach, which I don't have if I have a proper pelvic alignment, right? So today we're going to fix exactly that. We're going to strengthen your deep core and give you a nice and flat stomach. All right, let's get down onto the mat and into the exercise right away. Grab your knees. That's our starting point. So now extend your legs and extend your arms. Bring your arms around and on your knees again. Again, inhale, extend. Exhale, pull in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, pull in. Try to stay up on your shoulder tips. Try to pull your legs in actively. So imagine someone is holding your feet and trying to give you some resistance while you're pulling your legs in. Exhale, pull in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, pull in. And inhale, extend. Let's do 4 repetitions. And inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your left hand on your right knee. Your right hand goes onto your left hand. Extend your left leg and switch your leg and your hands. Switch again. Inhale, switch. Exhale, pull in. Inhale, switch. Exhale, pull in. Try to stay up in your upper body. So up until your shoulder tips. And try to keep your feet moving on one line. And exhale, inhale, exhale. And let's do 4 and 3, 2, and 1. Stay up in your chest lift, bring your leg in, push your head into your hands to protect your neck. Push your legs out, pull your legs in. Inhale, push out, exhale, pull in. Try to push your lower back into the mat while doing this exercise. So your lower back is always on the mat. It doesn't lift off. If your lower back lifts off, that means that your legs are too low and that your abs can't hold them properly. Always do what's safe for you, okay? It's not about vanity, like bringing your legs as low as possible, but it's about doing the movement right for your body. And 3, 2, 1. Stay up, extend your legs, push your lower back into the mat, and now move your legs as if you're walking up and down. Go up to the ceiling and as low as you can hold it in your lower back, so your lower back doesn't arch. Let's do a few repetitions. And up and down and up and down. Let's do 3. Come on, you can do this. 2 and 1. Bring your legs in, put one leg down, then the other leg down, lower your body down. Straighten one leg and the other leg, they're together, feet are pointed, bring your arms above your head, palms are facing each other. Inhale, come up into your chest lift, your arms go to the sides of your hips, and exhale, come up with your C-curve in your back. Now move back a little bit. Your legs are hip width apart and bent. Come back into your C-curve, so pull your pubic bone to your belly button. Keep that position, shoulders away from your ears. Now lean back a little bit more. And move one arm up and back. The other arm up and back. Keep your curve in your lower back. This is the most important part during this exercise. So you're basically on your tailbone and you're pulling your pubic bone up towards your belly button. If you notice your back straightening. Try to pull your pubic bone in even more. Try to keep that curve in your lower back more than you do in your upper back. And 3, 2, keep going. 1. Now move both arms up and down, up and down. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button even more. Come into that curve in your lower back. Up and down. You're going to feel this in your abs already. So you're going to feel your abs working and burning a little bit. Also, try to keep your shoulders away from your ears. Whenever you feel like you lose your curve, try to pull your pubic bone in even more and lean back as far as you can hold it. And 3, 2, 1. Now bring your arms up, 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 and around. Up, 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 and around. Up, 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 and around. Remind yourself of that curve in your lower back. You're holding your abs in. So you're pulling your belly button to the spine. You're pulling your ribs in and down. And try to keep your spine lengthened. So imagine someone's pulling your head up while you try to hold that curve in your lower back. And around. Let's do 3 more. Whew. It's getting harder to hold this. And 1 more. Okay, now stay here, your palms face up. Straighten one leg, bring your arms down. And arms up. Straighten your leg, arms down. Keep that C curve. It looks like nothing, but this exercise is actually firing up your abs if you do it right. So if you don't feel it, you have to pull your pubic bone in even more. Come onto your tailbone even more. And round your lower back and pull your belly button to the spine. And 3, 2, whew, it's burning. 1, and come up. Bring your legs to the side, grab your ankles, straighten your back. Let's stretch a little bit from keeping it in that curve for so long. Okay, come back. Bring one leg up into tabletop, then the other one. Your arms are onto shoulder height, hands facing each other. Now come into that curve in your lower back and slowly come down onto the mat until your shoulder tips and come up again. Inhale, come down. Exhale, come up. And again, round your lower back, come down onto your shoulder tips and back up. Again, down and exhale up. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Down, round your lower back, pull your pubic bone to the belly button and up. Let's do 3 more. And back down and up. Down, round your back and up. And 1 more. Down and up. Now straighten your legs, bring your arms above your head and come down onto the mat. Bring your arms up and come fully up like this and straighten your back. Round your back, come down, arms above the head and come up. Let's do 3 more. Come down and exhale up and down and up. 1 more. Come down and up. Well done. Now come a little bit to the front. Bring one leg up and grab your ankle, or grab anywhere between your ankle and your knee, whatever feels comfortable. Grab your other leg, straighten your back, round your back, come onto your shoulders, and back up with a straight back. Again, come down and back up. Down, back up with a straight back. And again, push your legs into your hands to come up more easily. Round your back down and come up. Let's do 4 more. And up, down, and up, and 2 more, down, and up, and 1 more, down, and up. Well done. Put your legs down and now come into a front support position. Your wrists underneath your shoulders, your legs are at the back. Bring your pelvis down. Now bring one leg in, exhale, and out. In, exhale, and inhale out. Exhale in, and inhale out. Let's do a few repetitions of this. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. For 3, 2, 1. Now hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your right leg up and down, up and down. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button to engage your core. And 2, 1. Let's switch. And up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. 1 more, up and down. And now come down onto your elbows and up, down and up, down. Always switch your hands. And down, up. 2 more, down, up, down, up. 1 more, down and up and down and up. Again, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down into the mat. Hands underneath your shoulders. Now push yourself up into a swan. Hold this. Pull your belly button into the spine. And we're going to stretch your abs this way. Remember to pull your belly button in to protect your lower back. And now come down. Come onto all fours. Put one leg to the front. Now push your left hip forward. Pull your belly button in. And feel a stretch in your left hip flexor. This will also help with anterior pelvic tilt. And hold it for a few breaths. Push your left hip into the stretch, so to the front. Try to keep your hips still quite level. So push your right hip to the back a little bit because we tend to push it to the front. And hold. All right, let's switch. Bring your left leg to the front, push your right hip to the front as well, and pull your left hip a little bit to the back. Feel that stretch, enjoy that stretch of your hip flexor. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button a little bit more to feel that stretch even more. And hold for a few breaths. That's it for today. You've just finished day 10 of our CherriCore edit. Well done! I hope you felt the burn in your abs as much as I did and enjoyed the exercises. As always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize, just like skincare from the inside out. Thanks for joining me for day 10, and I hope to see you in day 11. Bye!